We're talking about fake news, we're talking about
Pa,
misinformation, we're talking about yan, yung mga scandal, mga ganyan. Paano natin pwede protektahan ang sarili natin? Like for example, sa FB, may fake news. Anong pwede gawin?
community na raw eh. Community checking na lang. Similar to X. Kasi X is the new, di ba, the new Twitter.
Hmm.
Tinanggal kasi ang argument is if one single entity is, di ba, fact check,
Leaning.
parang
May leaning
may
siya.
leniency din, nawawala rin yung validity nung nag-check. Unlike pag community, there's a parang marami nagsasabi ng tama at mali ito. Ganun.
Which is also dangerous kasi all of a sudden, na sinasabi natin, wala nang objective truth.
Oh, di ba?
Truth becomes kung sino yung mas maraming naniniwala.
Sa DICT, meron tayong partnership with the social media giants like Meta through Facebook. There are even some individuals who would report sa amin constantly na this is against community policy, this is it contains child pornography, so on and so forth. So si DICT po, pino-forward namin sa Facebook. We maintain close contact with the social media giants.
Saan po pwede magpadala ng mga ganyan mga...
Pwede po kayo magpapadala sa sa Facebook sa DICT. And at the same time we have also the cybercrime yung CICC natin, which is under po siya ng DICT. Maybe we can flash out the numbers or later, but if you visit the website of DICT, it's available there naman where to report. So ako for me admittedly there's a lot of improvement should be done in terms of making sure that our young people do not have that access to pornography. DICT will still make sure, and by the way, si DICT, napakabata pa po namin. We're just about 8 years old compared to other departments. Kasi originally, galing kami sa DOST, DOTC. So, and ang history sa DICT, we already had 5 secretaries out of that 8 years, no. So the policies right now are being implemented, and at the same time this is the I think few years that the ICT is really aggressive in addressing all the issues and problems.